Hello everyone, my name is Alia Asif Sheikh, BSc final year student from Arts, Commerce and Science College, Marigaon. Title of my seminar is Cyclic Group and its application. A cyclic group. A group G is said to be cyclic if there exists an element in group such that it can generate the entire set by repeatedly applying an operation. For example, Zn set of integer is cyclic with respect to addition. It is generated by 1 and minus 1. Zn is cyclic generated by 1. The universe and mathematics are made up of many cyclic groups. One can think of cyclic group as pattern that repeat until returning to the beginning. Geometric shape and design that are generated by the shape of design repeating until it get back to original. This shape is not that is being repeated 3 times until it get back to original point. Repeated color slice forming a whole circle. You can see that jellyfish and urchin test exhibit radial symmetry from its center. An object with the rotational symmetry is known as biological context. As radial symmetry, any organism that has radial symmetry is cyclic. Also, you can see plant and flower have radial symmetry. Natural objects that are cyclic. The cyclic group can also be thought of rotation. If we rotate an object enough time, we will eventually return to the original position. For polygon with n sides, we can divide 360 by n to determine how much degree each rotation will require to return to the original position. For example, for a square, 360 by 4, we will get 90 degree. So for square, we require 90 degree to 4 times to get back to the original position. This is first original original square, first rotation, second rotation, third rotation and fourth rotation of back to the original position. The group having symmetric with respect to rotation only is a cyclic group Cn. This is mathematical structure Cn where Ri is rotation of angle 2 pi I by n, this that is 360 by n. This is Cn group, C4 group, C5 group, C6 cyclic group. Now coming to the application of cyclic group is cyclic group can be used in fun puzzles such as Rubik's Cube or in protective sensitive such as through cryptography. Number theory has many applications in cyclic group. Cyclic groups are not only common in pure mathematics but also in pattern, shape and music. Today we will explore some other application of cyclic group in star polygon and clock arithmetics. What is a star polygon? The The star polygon are derived from regular polygon. Consider regular polygon with equally spaced n vertices on the unit circle. Regular polygon and vertices connect with every kth point is referred as nk star polygon. For example, star polygon phi 2 created by connecting every second point of phi equally spaced point on the circle. You can see 1 is connected to 3 and 3 is connected to 5. This is this every second point is connected, we will get the star shape. Rotation symmetry, for example, star polygon is pi 2 when rotate 5 times at 360 by 5 is equals to 72 degree, comes back to its original shape. This illustrates its rotation symmetry. You can see on the screen. So we can say that all star polygon NK are symmetric with respect to rotation. You can see on the screen. Star polygon as cyclic structure. Star polygon with GCD NK is 1 is isomorphic to cyclic group Cn because both have rotational symmetry defined for rotation at angle 360 by n. Star polygon with GCD is now not equals to 1 is isomorphic to a subgroup of cyclic group CN. This is much importance of star polygon art and culture. The star polygon derived from the regular polygon were investigated in the Middle Ages, especially well known as the pentagram made from the pentagon as a secret sign of Pythagorean, and the star of David from made from the regular hexagon. You can see in screen. These are religious symbol derived from star polygon. This is Islamic symbol of star, wheel of dharma, Baha'i symbol. Star polygon also found in the nature. These are different type of flower in star shape. This is starfish. There is symmetry in human body with respect to star polygon. A human body has a close resemblance to a 5-point star. Also, polygons design in architecture. Star fort in Netherlands, English cathedral architecture. Also, the Islamic art derived from star polygon. This is window and door design using star polygon. Second application is clock arithmetic. On a clock, the number cycle from 1 to 12. After circulating around the clock, we do not go to 13 but restart at 1. If it was 6 o'clock, what would be after 9 hours? 6 a.m. plus 9 is equals to 15. But in 12-hour clock, 6 a.m. plus 9 equal to 3 p.m. The set of the number on a clock are C0 to 11. It was the algebraic structure of the group and it is cyclic group. The identity element is 0. What we will think of as 12. If we add 12 hour to anywhere on the clock, we will end up in the same position. This is 12-hour clock addition table for this group. On the basis of application of cyclic group, we conclude that human mind are designed for pattern recognition and we can find algebraic structure in common object and things around us. Cyclic group are the simplest group that have an object that can generate the whole set. The object can generate the set by addition, multiplication, or rotation. Cyclic group are not only common in pure mathematics but also in pattern, shape, star polygon have important in art and culture. And we can find many pattern and structure which are derived from them. As we know, the human life, direct and indirect, have close relationship with mathematics. Here we mention the application of cyclic group in clock, which is very important in our life. These are references that I have used in presentation. Thank you.